Hello Tucker and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that can actually help you increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers or suppliers, and that can result in the growth of your company. So I will be covering your website, the front page, content, the Google Business Profile, and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you actually have action call buttons throughout the front page, so that's really good. Well done there. You have links to your social media accounts. You have contact us forms. You have, well, actually I saw the content and you have the explanation of the process, what it's like to work with you. You have testimonials, reviews. Um, you have the you have included in here the reasons why people should choose to work with you, and you actually have a lot of content. The amount of content in the front page is between 1900 and 2000 words. So that's really good because to be optimized for Google, you want to have between 1500 and 2000 words. So it's just a matter of making sure that you have the right content and that you have included in here bio intent keywords. Let's have a look at one of your competitors, webuyhouses.com. These guys have they don't have too much content on their front page. They have 350 words, around 350 words. But they have, you can see here, location pages for the states and for the cities, top cities. And that's how they have been able to push through relevant bio intent keywords. And this is what I mean by that. I type in here, we buy houses Nebraska, and the first section that you see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then you have the Google Business Profile, and this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you are interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify these details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section over here is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you first need a website that is correctly built, that is safe, that is responsive, so loading under 1 second, and you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in this tool, I am looking at your website and I can see that there are 9 external websites directing traffic to your website through 11 backlinks. And that's exactly a backlink. It's a link in another website that points to another website. If I have a look at We Buy Houses, these guys have 7 external websites, and this is just a landing page for Nebraska. They have 7 external websites directing traffic through 19 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at that backlink profile because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that people are performing in their search engine. Now, to actually get more points, you want those backlinks to be sitting in websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, because then Google is going to start regarding your website as an authority in those particular topics. Now, the other section that I wanted to show with you is the organic keywords. So you are being found for 3 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing for those 2 keywords. So anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to attract any traffic at all. And the other thing is that these keywords are not bio intent keywords. Let's have a look at We Buy Houses. They are being found for 21 organic keywords, and in here I can see that, for example, We Buy Houses Omaha has a search volume of 150, and they are ranking on the 3rd position, and because they're on the 3rd position, they were able to get 20 visits to their websites. Usually the first position takes between 25 to 30% of the traffic, just the first position for a particular keyword. Then you have We Buy Houses Lincoln. They're on the 1st position and there's a search volume of 20, so they were able to drive, and this is an estimate again, 6 visits to their website. We Buy Houses Omaha, search volume of 30, position 2nd position, 5 visits to their website. So basically what you want to do is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume according to the areas in which you operate, because those are the ones that you want to sprinkle all over the content of your website, so that Google can find you for those keywords. And then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers or suppliers. Um, and then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website. They're going to call you. And then depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert them into your customers or suppliers. So that's actually going to allow you to dominate a portion of the traffic. So this is how you translate traffic into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve the traffic to your website. And please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.